little buddies, you must have seen many kind of paintings, right? But this time it's little different because we are not going to use any paints or color but instead color papers. First of all, you need a thick paper. If you do not have, use any box. Now one by one cut your papers and add details on the painting. Hey, once again, have you watched this video of unique strawberry gift wrap? If not, go watch it. Now coming to this painting, add your all painting layers one by one by using double-sided tape. Then trim the extra part which is going out of frame. Using double-sided tape in every layer will make 3D looking painting. Just remember, you have to add double-sided tape on every layer. This is the final look. For more crafting videos, please subscribe.